In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add overlays to your Kick stream using OBS Studio. So first of all, come to OBS Studio and add your video and audio sources. Now, make sure you have downloaded the overlay on your computer. So here is my overlay in JPG format. Now all you have to need from your OBS Studio source section, click on this plus icon. I'm selecting image and clicking on browse and selecting the overlay. Once the overlay added, now I'm adding the overlay image under my game or video source. Now I'm selecting my media or video and resizing, selecting the overlay layer and increasing the overlay size just like this. And now I'm just adjusting my video size with overlay. Okay, now all you have to need, go to your browser and go to your kick.com website. Click on your profile photo, select create or dashboard, select here channel and click on stream URL and key. Here you'll find your Kick stream URL and stream key. Click on this stream URL and now you have to verify your stream account email address. So just go to your Gmail and collect the verification code and verify your email address. Then copy the stream URL, go back to your OBS Studio, click on settings, select stream, service, select here custom. Paste here the URL and go back to Kick again, copy the stream key, paste here the stream key, click on apply and OK. And you have successfully connected OBS with your Kick. Now just click on start streaming. Once the streaming successfully started, go back to your Kick and select stream. And here, as you can see, I've successfully started to stream on my Kick with overlay. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.